Hello everyone. Welcome back to All About Coding. In this video, we will discuss 10 reasons why we should learn Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages and is often used in various fields. So, if you are curious why Python is so important, stay with us. The first reason why we have to learn Python is because of its simplicity. Python is designed with an easy-to-understand syntax, making it easy for beginners to learn. An easy-to-understand programming language like Python can help speed up our learning process. The second reason is the completeness and flexibility of Python. Python is equipped with various modules and libraries that make it easier for us to develop various types of applications, such as web applications, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and many more. With Python, we can explore various areas of programming without significant limitations. The third reason is Python's popularity. Python has become a very popular programming language among developers in the industry. Many big companies like Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Dropbox use Python in their product development. By learning Python, we can increase our chances of a career in the technology industry. The fourth reason is that there is a large and active Python community. Python has a large developer community around the world. We can easily find learning resources, tutorials, and discussion forums that help us overcome problems we may encounter during the learning process. Apart from that, this community also provides opportunities to collaborate with other Python developers. The fifth reason is the support of various platforms and operating systems. Python is compatible with many platforms such as Windows, macOS, and Linux. This means we can develop Python applications in a variety of environments without having to worry about operating system limitations. The sixth reason is the high development speed. Python has a simple and easy-to-understand syntax, so we can develop applications more quickly than other programming languages. This is especially beneficial in situations where fast development times are critical, such as in the development of prototypes or projects with tight deadlines. The seventh reason is Python can be used in various fields. As previously mentioned, Python can be used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and much more. Python's versatility makes it a good choice for dealing with challenges in a variety of fields. The eighth reason is the ease of debugging. Python provides powerful and easy-to-use debugging tools. This helps developers identify and fix errors in code quickly, thereby speeding up the development process and reducing time to troubleshoot. Visual Aid. Show examples of Python debugging tools. The ninth reason is that Python is open source. This means we can download and use Python for free. Also, due to its open source nature, Python is constantly being developed and updated by the developer community. You can also contribute to the development of Python through code contributions, bug reports, and participation in open source projects. The last reason, but not least, is the great career potential. In a world that is increasingly dependent on technology, the demand for programming skills is growing. Mastering Python can open the door to many exciting career opportunities, including becoming a software developer, data scientist, data analyst, or even starting your own startup. Those are 10 reasons why we should learn Python. From simplicity and comprehensiveness to huge career potential, Python has a lot to offer us. Hope this video helps you understand why Python is such an important programming language. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay connected with other interesting content. Thank you.